Welcome to the Huntsville Botanical Garden. Thank you for tuning in to look at the Carriage House and the meadow at Lake Lonnie, which are the perfect spot for a garden wedding that is both rustic and elegant. We offer a wedding package for the Carriage House that includes both an outdoor ceremony location along with the indoor reception space. The meadow at Lake Lonnie is a beautiful open meadow with a view of the lake and the backdrop of oak leaf hydrangeas and cedar trees. There is a metal archway that you're welcome to decorate with flowers or drapery to put your own personal stamp on this spacious meadow. The garden has 112 acres of gorgeous spots for you to take photographs on your wedding day. As you can see from some of the images coming across your screen, your photographer will have no trouble finding the perfect backdrop for any style of photos you're looking for on your big day. All our wedding packages come with a shuttle for use on garden property, and one of our staff members will drive that shuttle for you. It's great for transporting you around the garden for photographs before the ceremony and again after the ceremony to make sure you get that perfect sunset shot. We also have a dressing room that's included with the Carriage House wedding package, and this space is located upstairs in the guest center, tucked away from any distractions so that you can spend time with your closest friends and family while you prepare to walk down the aisle. The Carriage House is one of the most impressive spaces we have here at the garden. The ceilings are soaring with bistro lights and chandeliers, and the best part are the 8 wooden carriage doors that open onto patios and provide additional space for seating, cocktail hour, or even an outdoor dance floor, along with a stunning view of Little Smith Lake. The Carriage House seats up to 150 guests if you fill up the entire room with tables and chairs, or up to 200 guests for a standing reception. However, we recommend up to about 120 guests if you want all your guests to be able to sit at the same time and still have room for dancing. We do supply all the tables and chairs for all of our indoor venues, and we'll set them up for you before you arrive. We also have audio-visual capabilities that are included with all of our rentals, and in this space we have a large video wall as well as microphones available. The Carriage House has a catering kitchen that can be used by a caterer on our approved list. If you wish to serve alcohol at the reception, the garden does hold a liquor license, so your bartenders as well as all of the adult beverages will come through us. And then for all of your other vendors, such as your photographer, DJ, band, florist, you're welcome to choose anyone that you like, and that does provide you a lot of flexibility to really make your day yours. Thank you so much for coming on our tour of the Carriage House. The garden really does have so much to offer, and we really would love to talk to you about your special day. Let us know how we can help, and we hope to see you at the garden soon.